Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a capital D letter with the Rubik's Twist 24 blocks. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to turn this block 2 times. 1, 2. And then now you're going to face it like this. So now what you're going to do is you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then turn the 8th block 2 times. Like this. Alright, now you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and turn this 4th block up. Alright, you're going to count 1, 2, and turn this 3rd block 2 times. So now it looks like that. Alright, and then count 1, 2 again, and turn this 3rd block, upwards. Now you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and turn this 4th block up again. And do the same thing. Count 1, 2, turn the 3rd block 2 times. So the same thing as here. Alright, now you're going to count 1, 2, and turn this 3rd block, upwards again. And so it matches with this. And there you go, you have the capital letter D. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button if you're right down there, as well as the subscribe button if you're right next to it. And bye, see you in my next video.